Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to make a beautiful pen stand using plastic bottle. For making this you need these materials. Firstly cut the bottle from bottom. Now make face of the bird on paper. Then take a foam sheet, make face on it and cut. Now make feathers by the same procedure and cut. Now make beak or mouth of the bird. All the parts of the birds is ready to assemble. Paint blue acrylic color on the inner side of the bottle. Now make eyes of the bird. Now stick the beak like this. Stick the inner feather above the outer feather. Now stick all the parts like this on the bottle. Your cute bird pen stand is ready to use. If you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it for more interesting videos and hit the bell icon for notification.